Hey mom, this power meal is perfect for your baby. Let me show you how I made this combo for my 6 months old baby. Ofada rice is gluten free and gives energy. Iron and protein can be getting from the meat, which helps to prevent anemia. Vitamin C and A from carrots and bell pepper. Fiber from the beans and carrots for healthy tummy. You can see my baby enjoyed it very well and was happy afterwards. So let me show you how best to prepare this meal. This is a further rice, bell pepper, beef, green beans, frozen green beans, and carrots. Now let's begin. First of all, I washed the further rice thoroughly, washed thoroughly until the water is clear and neat, as you can tell from this. Place it on the cooker top to cook. Once it has parboiled, pour out the water and rinse off and keep. Now it is now time to make the combo. Into a pot of boiling water, I added the beef, covered and allowed to cook. After cooking for some time, I added the already parboiled ofada rice, the green beans, the carrots. I covered it up again and allowed to simmer. And then I added the bell pepper. This was the last thing I added because I didn't want it to get overly tender. Okay. Added the bell pepper, turned it and covered it for a little time. When I mean little time, not even up to a minute. And I uncovered it and it's ready to be blended to puree or any texture you like. Can you see that? Oh my god. Your baby will like this. You see this very milk, it doesn't need milk. If you want, you can add milk, but it was so tasty that I did not have the need to add milk. And trust me, your baby is going to enjoy this. Okay? You're not the only one that like rice. So give your baby the rice. And the gluten-free one is one you shouldn't joke with. Okay? Get a gluten-free rice like a father rice. Wash it thoroughly and make it for your little ones. Dish that store-bought baby food. Go for this. Thank you so much for watching.